Hello everyone. The mid-range smartphone category has long been a space where unwritten rules dictated certain compromises. You either sacrificed premium design, longevity in software updates, or flagship-level AI features. However, the device sitting on our review desk today is throwing those rules completely out the window. Meet the Samsung A376, better known as the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. We are talking about a device that not only packs a massive 5,000 mAh battery into a sleek 7.4mm glass body, but also pushes boundaries with the Exynos 1480 chip and brings the Galaxy AI ecosystem to the table with an unprecedented 6-year update guarantee. Today, we're moving beyond just reading the spec sheet. We are going to dive deep into the engineering details to see how this phone actually changes the daily user experience. If your coffee is ready, the Samsung Product Consultant review of the Galaxy A37 5G begins now. The very first thing you notice when you take this device out of the box is the undeniable premium feel in your hand. The plastic or glasstic materials we used to see so often in this tier have been replaced by a real glass back panel. But the true engineering marvel lies beneath that glass. The device is incredibly slim, measuring just 7.4 millimeters thick. What does this mean for you? As smartphones get larger, they naturally get heavier and harder to use with one hand. Despite its massive 6.7-inch display, this 7.4mm profile perfectly centers the weight distribution in your palm. It drastically reduces wrist fatigue, even during hours of gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. Looking at the color palette, Samsung has crafted a story for every type of user. For those who prefer a classic, understated look, we have the matte depth of anthracite and the ever-elegant white. But if you want your tech to reflect your style, the stunning pine green, which shifts tones beautifully under the light, and the soft, premium lavender purple are absolute showstoppers. The A37 5G is definitely a phone that makes a statement when you set it on the table. Moving to the front, we are greeted by an area where Samsung consistently sets the industry standard: the display. We are looking at a massive 6.7-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED panel. As we know, Super AMOLED means each pixel can turn off independently, delivering infinite contrast ratios and true blacks. You really feel that cinematic depth, especially when watching movies or shows in a dark room. The color saturation is perfectly calibrated right out of the box. Then there's the fluidity aspect. A 120Hz refresh rate is now a staple of the Samsung ecosystem. But the UI optimization on this specific device is so refined that whether you are swiping through menus, scrolling endlessly on social media, or playing high frame rate games, everything feels buttery smooth under your fingertips. The touch sampling rate is incredibly sharp, which is a crucial detail for competitive mobile gamers. Let's talk about the beast resting under this elegant chassis: the Exynos 1480. This isn't just an ordinary piece of silicon. Thanks to its advanced architecture, it excels at thermal management, meaning it keeps the phone cool under pressure, while maximizing power efficiency. The integrated GPU within this processor ensures stable performance with minimal frame drops, not just in everyday tasks, but even in high-setting gaming scenarios. You can have dozens of apps running in the background, and this device won't even break a sweat. Samsung offers different memory configurations here based on user needs. The base model features 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. But if you say, "I'm a content creator, I shoot a lot of photos, and I play heavy games," you'll want to look at the 8 GB RAM variants paired with either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. Considering the memory consumption of modern apps, as a tech expert, I can comfortably say that opting for the 8 GB RAM model will significantly contribute to the long-term viability of this device. Now we arrive at the most crucial part of the video, where the paradigm truly shifts: software and artificial intelligence. The Galaxy A37 5G is equipped with on-device AI capabilities. We are looking at a system bearing the Galaxy AI badge, elevating the smartphone to the level of an intelligent assistant. Particularly with the AI Select feature highlighted on the spec sheet, you can intelligently select, instantly copy, translate, or web search any text or image on your screen. It is a detail that incredibly speeds up your daily workflow. But hold on, here is the biggest news. Samsung is promising an astonishing 6 generations of Android OS updates and 6 years of security updates for this device. If you buy this phone today, you will continue to receive the latest software features and security patches straight into the early 2030s. Seeing this kind of long-term investment in a mid-range device is the ultimate proof of how much Samsung trusts its hardware and the enduring power of the Exynos 1480. Let's talk photography. On the back, we have a vertically aligned triple camera module that perfectly reflects the brand's modern design language. Our main shooter is a 50-megapixel sensor, but we shouldn't just fixate on the megapixel count. The real magic lies in the advanced ISP, or image signal processor, integrated into the hardware. Thanks to this next-generation ISP, the Advanced Nightography feature works flawlessly. It actively scrubs away that annoying visual noise in low-light conditions, delivering sharp, social media-ready night shots without blowing out the light sources. For your wide landscapes and architectural shots, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens does a fantastic job. And for those who want to get just centimeters away from their subjects, the 5-megapixel macro lens steps up. Unlike the gimmick 2MP lenses flooding the market, this 5MP sensor actually delivers usable, crisp macro photography. Over on the front, for your selfies, vlogs, or video conferences, we have a highly capable 12-megapixel camera with excellent dynamic range. Finally, let's look at what keeps this massive screen, powerful processor, and AI algorithms running. By some stroke of engineering genius, a massive 5,000 mAh battery has been squeezed into this slim 7.4mm body. Combined with the power efficiency of the Exynos 1480, we are talking about a battery life that easily gets you through a heavy day of use and can even stretch into a second day with standard usage. And when you do run out of juice, you won't be tethered to a wall outlet for long. The device supports 45W super fast charging. With a compatible adapter, even during a short coffee break, you can load up enough energy to last you for hours. To sum it all up, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G completely redraws the boundaries of its segment with its premium glass design, Galaxy AI capabilities inherited from the flagships, an unrivaled 6-year update roadmap, and a powerful camera setup featuring advanced nightography. If you are looking for a sleek device that will stay current for years to come without making you look back, this model should absolutely be at the top of your list. So, what do you think about these specs, especially that massive 6-year update guarantee? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos from Samsung Product Consultant. Until the next review, stay tech savvy and take care.